Hi, I'm Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to manage owners if they are created from admin. The best way to create owners in the VP Rentals team is from front end using the sign up option. You will need to select I want to rent my property and add details. But if you want to create owners from admin, you will need to follow the steps that I will describe in this video. The owner account will have an owner profile and a user account synced together. To do that, you will need first to create a new owner from listings, bookings and more owners. You will need to click add owner, add the name of the owner, add the owner details, phone number, mobile phone and the details that the owner needs. And here you will need to add the ID of the user account. So now I will publish this owner and I will go to users to create the user account. I will click add user. Using this username, the owner can log in the site. I will add the email, the same one as I used for the owner profile. You can add other details. You will need to set a password. This password needs to be sent to the owner to be able to log in along with the user. You will need to select the role of the user to be owner and click add user. Once created, you will have more options and you will need to edit. And now to link the owner profile with the user profile, you will need to take the user ID, copy and paste it in the owner profile, save changes, and the owner profile ID, you will need to copy it and paste it in the user account. You'll have this option here, user owner ID, paste the link here, and also here set 0 for the user that can rent and book, and save changes. Now the owner is created and you can pass username and password for that owner to be able to log in front end. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notifications on new videos.